Here is a quick secret trick to effectively reduce noise in Lightroom. When shooting at higher ISO, cameras produce image noise. Check out our ISO chapter if you want to learn more about that and how to reduce noise while shooting rather than in your editing software. But since you cannot avoid ISO noise in all situations, I'll show you a great trick to reduce it in Lightroom. The big trick to reduce noise is to not sharpen it. And here is how it works. When you open your image in Lightroom, change to the Develop module and scroll all the way down to the Details section. If that is closed, open it. Now here's the magic. Press the Alt or Option key and drag the masking slider. What you will see while you drag the slider is that the image turns to a rather strange black and white graphic. Now, what does that mean? The sharpening will only be applied to the parts that are white and not to the parts that are black. How does that help us with image noise? Noise is mostly visible in darker uniform areas. If you drag the slider so that the more uniform areas are black and only the structured areas are white, you will only sharpen the structured part of the image and not the noise in the uniform areas, resulting in a much cleaner image. Now you can apply the sharpening to your needs without enhancing unwanted noise. So much for this secret trick. Don't forget to use the regular image noise reduction tools for luminance noise and color noise to effectively get rid of a lot of image noise. If that was helpful for you, stay tuned for more photography tips and tricks. Subscribe and make sure to check out our beginner photography course playlist if you are new to photography. If this video was helpful for you, please help us rank higher in YouTube searches by subscribing, leaving a comment or simply spreading the word.